Last week, I painted my steel wheels for the first time. I made some mistakes. They ended up coming out with a really rough texture. This week, I'm sanding them down and fixing it. Let's get started. Using 1000 grit sandpaper and soapy water, I begin wet sanding down all the rough spots of the wheels. This took around 20 minutes to complete for all four wheels. Next, let's rinse off all that nasty black and gray sanded paint water. Wash it down again with soap and water just to make sure it's clean. And give it one more rinse for good measure. After drying, it's time to wipe down the wheels one more time with the rubbing alcohol. It's time to reapply paint. Make sure to read the directions on the back of your spray can. I'm using Rust-Oleum's glossy black enamel for this. Shake the can for at least a minute, and when you're ready, hold the can 10 to 16 inches away from the wheel, although I probably held it a little bit closer. First coat coming up. I tried to paint in a circle following the lines of the wheel, but I messed that up. Time for the second coat. I switched back to the horizontal stripes, and I got better coverage this time. Third and final coat of glossy black. I'm only waiting a few minutes between coats here. Well, this looks halfway decent. Let's let it dry overnight and check it in the morning. It's the next day, and I have to say, I'm pleased with these results. Are they perfect? No, of course not. But they're good enough. I could keep working on them, but I'll stop here. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like. Consider subscribing as well. Thanks for watching.